Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh Online Edition, from 1 to 5 February 2020. Henry Simon Mustard Mill Project, iconic brands come together.
Evro-Neshterk, EVT, Grain Port Terminal of Ukraine.
Meeting was held between the commercial section of the Korean Embassy and Limra on the Grain Feed and Milling Conference.
China bought Indian rice for the first time in decades due to tightening supplies.
What kind of precautions do you need before loading the silo?
Alanka's Mark again won the Weighing Award 2020 for Best Companies and Products.
Van Arsen has installed another pelting line for spelt mills in Germany.
India's poultry industry has been hit by an epidemic as protein prices rise beyond the reach of consumers.
U.S. soybean prices fall as Brazil weather improves, wheat recovers. A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
And Mill Tech Istanbul, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.